Hello everyone, I'm recording this lesson from home this week. Today we are going to be reviewing notes on the music staff and learning a couple more that happen right below the music staff, playing them on piano, reading some really basic melodies as well. Today may be a little bit of a challenge, so if you need to pause and recollect your thoughts or figure out again what I'm talking about, that's fine. Do that as many times as you need throughout the lesson. But my goal is to clearly and concisely in a short amount of time teach you some basic information about how to put these notes we're learning on the music staff to use. I hope you enjoy. Let's head over and do a music note review. Okay guys, we have the music staff here, and this note is on the second line. Just a quick review, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Those notes go from low to high. And the saying I use, the acronym I use to remember them is every good boy deserves fries. Every good boy deserves fries. So that note would be a G. Now for spaces, this note you can see is between two lines in a space. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces going from low to high, and as we've talked about, they spell the word face. So the first one is F, A, C, E. So this note is A. Just go from the bottom to the top with me. Ready? Every good boy deserves fries. You got it. Spell the word face, rhymes with space, F-A-C-E. First space is first letter of the word face, F. Spell the word face because this is in the final space, F-A-C-E. First space is F. Spell the word face, F-A-C. And you can just stop once you get to the note. See if you can do it quickly in your head. F-A-C. Where's a line note? F-A-C-E. Good boys deserve. Every good boy deserves. D. Every good boy. Alright, and that is our review of that. In this next portion of the lesson, we're going to be utilizing our virtual pianos. You can try to split screen, or you may just have to pause this lesson and go in and out of the videos as we go. Okay, so here is the virtual piano. The only thing you need to familiarize yourself with the buttons here is hide note names, show note names. We want to see the note names here. Also, please take a couple minutes, play around if you would like. Were some C notes. Notice things like the musical alphabet. This one starts on C, but you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G is our musical alphabet. And then it repeats A, B, C, D. So it just starts down here on C. Let's see. Even though this piano starts with the middle C note, just think about the alphabet going from C in alphabetical order till you get to A, and then it restarts again. Also, look for a pattern of white keys and black keys. We have 2 black keys, then 3, then 2, then 3, then 2, then 3. Go ahead, play around with some of those notes. So today we're going to be looking at 2 types of music. They're both for beginners when reading music. The first one does not have the notes on the music staff. It just kind of has the note names and how some go higher and lower. The next one will have the notes on the music staff and the rhythms, which you guys are more familiar with how to read. And it will challenge you to read the notes on the staff as well as the rhythms. Okay, so here is the song Rain, Rain, Go Away. Traditional song that most of us have probably heard. We are going to do steps to practice now. Step 1 is to count and clap the rhythms. So we have 4/4, 4 beats per measure. We're going to start here and let's count and perform these rhythms. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the next step is to clap or play the rhythms like we just did and say the note names. So let's review for a second. This is the second line here, so every good. That's G. Here's a G, here's a G, here's a G. Every time that note is on the second line, it's G. G, G, lots of G in this song. Where's the last one? Here's one as well. First line is E, every, like every good boy deserves fries. E. So we ignore that and this and this. Start here again. I'm sorry about that. G, ready, go. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E. Okay, now we have a different note. F, A, C, E are the spaces. F, A, this is an A. So we have, going back here, we have G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Now, if this is all you play, that is fine with me. And actually, I think that's what our goal is going to be today. So let's clap and say just that top section again. 1, 2, ready, go. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E. And earlier in the lesson, I talked about the notes D and C. And you know what? I think that it'll be easier for us if we just stick with the first half of this song. So that's what we'll do. Thanks for changing up with me, guys. Okay, so now it's time for step 3. Step 3, we are going to play the notes and speak the note names. And our first note is G. We also have E and A. So G, E, A. Familiarize yourself with those. It could be down here or up here. I'm going to go right here. All right, let's play this music. 1, 2, here I go. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E. So it's going to be really helpful if you have your packet next to you while you attempt to play this. Let's do that one more time. G, E, G, G, E, G, G, E, A, G, G, E. All right, go try it by yourself. Okay, so step 4 is to just do all that by saying the note names like in your head, reading them in your head, not out loud, just playing the music. If you have a piano or keyboard at home, I encourage you to find this on that actual keyboard and play it. Take a look at where those black keys are, reference that, and what I did on my virtual piano, and find those E, G, and A notes on the piano that you own at home. If you want to continue on and challenge yourself to play the rest of Rain Rain Go Away, I think you have the tools to do that. I also think if you would like to use the piece of paper in your packet that doesn't have the notes on the staff, you can try it that way too. There's also more of these types of music online you can find in a quick search as well. I hope you had fun today. It's a quick lesson, but I really do encourage you to go back and backtrack on anything that you need to review again in order to do this successfully. We'll talk more about melodies and scales and all kinds of stuff on the keyboard in the future. Have a great day and enjoy your week.